Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with these two fellas right over here. I've got two chisels. One is from Alliance Designs and the other one is from Jeremy Marsh, the man. So we're gonna do a quick comparison review, but hey, first of all, I need to say a big thank you to my buddy Eden from Alliance Designs for sending these guys along so I'm able to share my impressions with you. And second of all, I have to say, if you like and subscribe and leave me a comment, YouTube is gonna be so happy that it's gonna be keeping recommending my videos, and that's gonna make me happy, and I'm gonna keep cranking these videos out for your viewing pleasures, guys. This is the chisel, Jeremy Marsh, Alliance Designs. Very similar, but also very different, especially because this is like $340 made in China, and this is yeah, $3,000, a little bit less than that, but still it's very expensive, not comparable. This is a custom, this is a production, there's only one, there's like probably 300. Let's check them out, guys, because the design, of course, is the same. The proportions, the size are the same, but there are some differences. For example, the pivot is a little bit different, as you can see from this perspective. This is fully domed, and there's a little bit of flat in that. The scales, of course, this is carbon fiber, this is copper, but let's not talk about that. The liners are titanium, but they have a different kind of chamfering going on. If you can see, you have flats and two chamfers on the sides, whereas here is like more rounded off. You can clearly see from this perspective the difference on the liners. The back spacer is pretty much the same, except of course this is PVD titanium and this is copper. You turn the knife around and you check the pocket clip and you notice that it's slightly different. Not that much. I mean, this is more defined, this is more like rounded off, but still nicely and sculpted tip down carry only pocket clip, which is my nitpick on this knife. From this angle, actually, you can also see the sharpening differences at the heel of the blade, much shorter on the production on the left and a little bit longer on the custom on the right. So also, let's see other differences when closed. I wouldn't say much. Let's check the thumb stud, because look at that. They are, let's see, like that, side by side. They're slightly different, you see. I think the custom has zirc polished dual thumb stud, and the production has either steel or titanium, which are in both cases sharp, like a little bit too sharp for my taste. There is no jimping on any of those. They are both hollow grind, and they are both very nice. The flats on the Alliance Designs are longer than the custom. I don't know if you can maybe appreciate from this side. There you go. The flats much longer on the production, and the other, like the swedge, is pretty much the same. Let's actually check the stock thickness for the Alliance Design, 0.15. For the custom, 0.15, so we are exactly there. What is not going to be exactly there is the weight, because the copper, of course, weighs more than carbon fiber, but quite substantially. Like, for example, the production carbon fiber is 2.92 ounces, whereas the custom copper is 4.87 ounces. So that's a pretty big difference. Of course, the back spacer is also copper, and there's like the different material employed. This is RWL34, this is Mike Norris Damascus, Hornet Nest, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but everything else checks out. Also the sound, guys, custom, production, much louder and much prefer the sound on the production in my case. And also check the closing action, super smooth for the production, and you need a little bit stronger wiggle for the custom, sorry, to get into the closed position, but beside that, I mean, ergonomics are going to be the same. The design, of course, is the same. The material, the weight, so the feel is going to be absolutely different. And in this case, because of the materials employed, I kind of tend to lean towards the production version. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.